Khwai District Administration ni luwajimung baitang shalo Vidya Festival 2024 ni paithak pada songchajakha Telemura Chitrangoda Kola Kendra wo aro narwayengi fai manjak faika Hastefa Indrasena Retinalo Telemura Puro Porishod ni Chairperson Rupok Sarkar tei Khwai Hangkorfa Chandni Chandana Khawai MLA Pinaki Das Chaudhary tei Loko Hamkrai Samung Tangnai Kolani Saharai Pandani bisingtei Telemura Kolanpur Khwai Bidyajyoti Röngnokni Röngsröngnai rokni bisingo quiz bataimung narakjakha aro keplayengnai no yafarjakha sokat.
Session of the Vidya Fest today here in Telemura, Khwai. First and foremost, I would like to extend my warmest congratulations to all the winners of the various events, including performing art, literary events, and visual art events. Your hard work, dedication, and passion have truly paid off, and I am thrilled to see such exceptional talent in our district. It is my pleasure to acknowledge the significant role that education plays in shaping the future of our nation. Events like Vidya Fest not only provide a platform for students to showcase their skills, but also foster a sense of completion, teamwork, and creativity.
Bureau Report Khumphoi.